Hi, I'm your media specialist, Ms. Rajante, and I'm going to show you a little bit about MackinVIA. It's a great website for tons of resources and ebooks you can use at school or at home. Now I'm doing it on a computer. I went to fulton.mackinvia.com. You can also get an app for your iPhone or iPad. The first thing you're going to see is a place to pick your school. So I picked Ison Springs Elementary. Now I'm going to click Log In. It's going to ask for a username. Now if you're a teacher, your username is going to be your email address without putting fultonschools.org. And then your password is going to be the same password you use to log on to your email. If you're a student, you're going to use your student ID number, which is the barcode you have in your agenda, the same number you use to check out library books. Your password is going to be your birthday. 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year. If your birthday was January 1st, 2000, you would put 01012000 for your passcode. I'm going to put my passcode in here as an example. Click Sign In. Okay, now I can see different categories over here on my left. I'm going to look at the ebooks. It shows me a list in alphabetical order. But let's say I want to search for a certain book. I can go up here to the search. I'm going to search for The Cat in the Hat. Here it is, The Cat in the Hat. I'm going to push Open Now. Okay, and here it is. It shows me the book I can read. All right, now I'm going to go back to the MackinVIA website, and I can press Check Out. It might give you that sign if the book is already checked out, because we only have one of these. Let's go down and find another one to check out. Okay, it says I checked out. I can read with my eyes shut. I have 13 days to read this book. I can also renew it if I would like. I can find it up here in my backpack. Here it is. It tells me when it expires, and it will go back to our library. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to look for a different book using the categories. I go over here on my left and click Categories. So I'm going to go to Graphic Novels. I can click on this one and look at it. This book is about Benjamin Franklin. Okay, I'm going to go back to my main page. I could check it out if I want to, but if I don't need to. I'm going to go back to categories and pick a different category. I could say foreign language. Here's a different book on Benjamin Franklin. This book is actually in English and Spanish. You can see the English is over here, the Spanish is over here. Very neat. I'm going to go back to my main Mackin page. Alright, now I can go down to audiobooks. Audiobooks you listen to. I could go all the way down and pick an audiobook that I like. Let's pick on this one, Fairy Tale Favorites. If I click Listen Now, it's going to read this book aloud to me. It would be great for a bedtime story. Alright, that's a quick overview of MackinVIA. Please go ahead and look at all the different books we have available. Thank you. Bye.